Welcome and welcome back to All Things Home on a Budget. On this channel, we style, refresh, clean, organize, even cook and shop. Well, we're cooking today and it's on a budget. And I'm sharing with you my shrimp scampi recipe. The ingredients, simple. Get you some raw shrimp. These are from Food Lion. They are the extra large. And they have the shell still on them, so it's an easy peel situation. Now this is some McCormick shrimp scampi sauce. Now you can get this from Walmart. Then we have some thin spaghetti, and this is the whole grain by Ronzani. Now I have some water boiling, and I'm just going to add some canola oil. I'm using special things because my husband is a diabetic. So I use the canola oil for him as well as the wheat pasta for him. So we're going to season that water up with some coarse sea salt from the Dollar Tree. Of course, we added the canola oil. That prevents your noodles from sticking. Now, over here in this other large pan, this is the pan that we're going to place down the actual shrimp scampi sauce first. And I do have 2 bottles of that, okay? So let's go ahead and get that down in. I am also going to season up the shrimp first using some seafood seasoning, using some accent, lime and orange pepper, and some all-natural seasoning by Morton's. Before you season, you also want to pat the shrimp dry with some paper towel so you don't have all of that water going down into the pan. So let's get this thing going because it's simple, it's easy, and we're absolutely hungry. Now, you're going to see a lot of playfulness in this video. My husband was home and just wanted to play around with the video. As you just seen his hand, okay, you're gonna see him goof off and do a lot of little things, okay? And I was like, I was gonna take it out of the video, but he was like, oh, I know you want your bread video to be all perfect and everything, but yeah, that's him. You know, we were shooting some pool as well as cooking and just enjoying one another, and he wanted to just like play around, okay? You see? That's him, y'all. That's him. So just keep on watching all of the playfulness and the cooking, okay? Now, this is definitely a budget-friendly, also quick and easy meal for your family. Now, what I'm doing here is just adding a little bit more seasoning so that the noodles as well as the shrimp is definitely tasting the way I need it to taste, okay? So you want to, season it to your taste and your liking. You may not need any because the actual sauce has quite a bit of seasoning in it. It has full of garlic and all types of things. So my husband goofing off, I thought I was filming at times. Sometimes the camera was steady going. I wasn't really doing nothing, but things was just going. So, yeah, that's what happens when you're filming and you have playful people hanging out with you. But nevertheless, we had a lot of fun. And the food was definitely delicious. So stay tuned for the plating. And I appreciate you for watching, all right? And if you have enjoyed this video today, thumbs it up. And if you're not a part of the family yet, go ahead and consider joining. Subscribe, hit the bell as well. Going to bring more cooking back to the channel. I'm trying to adjust my schedule according to my new work schedule for my real job. And so it's just been hard for me to bring the content like I used to. But nevertheless, when I can get it in, y'all, I'm going to get it in. So keep on watching as we get this plated up. And again, thumbs it up if you like it.